Hi, my name is AJ Gerard from StrobeAdvice. Following on from YouTube's completely unnecessary decision to pull the discussion page from accounts without access to the more advanced community page, we have come up with a strategic plan to work around this. Introducing the StrobeAdvice ConFab. This video replaces YouTube's discussion page, archives every single one of our previous notifications, and allows us to continue posting general notifications on YouTube in the comment section below. Now, without delay, to read every single one of our archived notifications, make a cup of tea, watch this video to the end, and as always, thank you for watching.